Give you guys a little cold start. I'm going to be taking over today. We're going to be installing JDM daytime running lights on the WRX. So as you guys saw, those are just like the orange OEM color for the daytime running lights. They're pretty ugly. Just thought I'd change it up a little bit, throw some JDM yellow lights there. I'm going to show you guys how to install that right now. I'm going to give you guys a little clip of the daytime running lights, the OEM ones right now, and then I'll show you how to install the JDM ones and what they look like. So as you guys see, looking right here, this is your projector. This is the daytime running light right here. I'm gonna go remove that, turn it a quarter counterclockwise, and should be able to pull it out right there. All right, so I got the halogen off for the daytime running, and now here we are with our LED. And I'm gonna put this in. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so overall it looks good. I really like how I dig it, how it looks. Next thing I just gotta do, I just gotta change my turn signal bulbs. I have the OEM ones. I have them. I just gotta get around to do that next. And yeah, you guys will be seeing this a lot more often once this whole quarantine thing is over. You'll be seeing this a lot more often. So there's gonna be a lot of mods coming to this thing. I'm telling you. Just wait, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Hit that subscribe button. Peace out.